Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security and lock screen. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none and swipe, which are non-security screen locks. Now let's select PIN number, enter at least 4 digits to create PIN. And next let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Confirm, and it's done. Now we can go forward and select fingerprint. To save fingerprint pattern, scan it on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use the fingerprint to unlock your phone. Now let's go back and go to face recognition. Simply scan your face in this area to unlock the phone. And now my face is scanned, I can use it. Don't forget to turn on this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.